It's the Marshall PC Wabash.
And needles.
And we're getting ready to go, I guess, trunk or treat over at Steampunk. And who's the tattoo place?
Ink Cave.
Ink Cave Tattoo. And
there's a plumbing shop there too.
And a plumbing shop that's going to have a trunk or treat for the kiddos. So I'm dressed up in classic cowboy tie, and she's got on all her new stuff, including my boot knife. She decorated up my bowler hat, so now it's girly looking. But that's okay. It's Marshall PC Wabash. I got empty holsters, but they're going to have candy corn bullets in it in a minute. Because I like candy corn. Out.
That's what Halloween's for.
This is what it's for.
It's a trunk or treat. This is Marshall PC Wabash. And this is fixing things. We'll pass the bill. We ain't broke nothing today, though.
Yeah, so I'm just sitting there.
Day's still young. Sun's still up. I'm going to break something for the day's over with.
And I'll fix it.
Right on.
I'm sitting in a shade.
Here's the trunk or treat at Steampunk. At Eat Place.
Yeah.
For journals up there. Right here on 218.
Maya, cover your mouth.
Kids are having a blast in the bouncy house. Alright, check y'all later. At the Steampunk. Just think, they could be doing your hair. Manicure and pedicure is money. Make your feet feel good.
Make your feet feel good.
Then we got the goodies on the old steamer trunk. My former boss, but he ain't boss no more, he's dead. There's needles. She has on my dead man's holster. Aces and eights. We're taking a walk down through Steampunk. They have a point of order program here. So it might be something to look into if you're local. But it's all decorated up. We're taking a walk. We got spider webs over top of my jail. The maid quit on me. So you know how that goes. I don't do no dusting. There we go. There's Steampunk Parlor logo up there. And I think there's a Freddy Krueger's house. Yeah. We got many different polishes to choose from on this side. And get your nails done. And then your petties. And some massage and suntan is done in there. And this is the hairdressing side. Very nice. We got a bumblebee driven.
Did you get it yourself? Oh, wise one.
It's over near Tattoo and Pro Custom, I think, and Padrino's. And crowd them rolled up in here pretty well. After hours, trunk or treats going on. Everybody's dressed up. Got a little bouncy house going. And the steampunk, some of the steampunk crew